who of the following is not associated with Carnatic music? So we know Tyagaraja, Muthuswami and Shyam Srishti, they are trinity of Carnatic music. So the one who is not associated is Bhakta Kanda. Next question. Which one of the following India's World Heritage Site, including UNESCO's list, has not been matched correctly with its location? So let's see. Humayun's tomb is in Delhi, it's correct. Valley of Flower is in Uttarakhand, it's correct. And even option D is correct. So the temple mentioned here, that is Airavatsava temple, it is in Tamil Nadu but not in Karnataka. So option C is the correct answer. Next question. APJ Abdul Kalam has co-authored a book with a Jain monk. The title of the book is The Family and the Nation. And who is the Jain monk? He is Acharya Mahapragya. Next question. The first Indian to win the Hoover Medal is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Next question. India's intercontinental ballistic missile Agni 5, proposed to be tested in the year 2011, will have a range of, the range of this is over 5,500 kilometers. So option C is the correct answer. Next question. Which one of the following is not included in the list of the new 7 wonders of the world announced in Lisbon, the capital of Portugal, on July 7th, 2007. So this is the Hanging Garden of Babylon. This is not included in these 7 wonders. Next question. Ganga Action Plan was initiated in, so this was initiated in 14th January 1986. So the correct answer is option B. Next question. Ethylene glycol is used in a car radiator to, okay, ethylene glycol, it is also an antifreeze, is used to cooling a car radiator during the winter because it has much lower freezing point than water. So it is used to lower the freezing point of water. Option C is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following is referred to as breathing molecule in plants? So it is chlorophyll. Option A is the correct answer. Next question. The inert gas produced in nuclear fusion process is, so fusion process involves helium gas. So this is an inert gas. Next question. The aviation fuel used in jet engine is, it is kerosene or refined kerosene. So option B is the correct answer. Next question. The main aim of using information technology in business is improve business processes. Option B is the correct answer. Next question. Which of these is component of a presentation graphic software? So it is slide. Option C is the correct answer. Next question. Apparent brightness of diamond is due to, it is due to total internal reflection as the light gets trapped within it and causing the sparkling of a diamond. So it is total internal reflection. Option C is the correct answer. Next question. A bird sitting on a live wire does not get electrocuted because if it sits on live wire, first of all, bird is not a good conductor of electricity, and if it only sits on a live wire, the circuit is not completed. So no current flows through it. So option A is the correct answer, as no current flows through it. Next question. According to a decision notified by the finance minister, coins of all demolishing below 50 paise coin will be seized to be legal currency from the date. So the date is It was notified on December 20, 2010 and came into effect from June 30, 2011. So the correct answer is June 30, 2011. Next question. Which of the following is used to disinfect water in a non-chemical way? So it is UV ray, UV light, that is ultraviolet light. Next question. Eco mark, which is granted to a product having no harmful effect on the environment, has a mark of, so it has a mark of a pot on the ground, that is a tilted pot on ground. So option D is the correct answer. Next question. Name the bird which can fly backward. So the bird which can fly backward is even the smallest bird, that is hummingbird. Option C is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following disease is not a waterborne disease? Okay, we know cholera, typhoid and even amoebic dysentery can be spread through water except asthma. So option C is the correct answer. Next question. The number of the teeth which grow twice are, we all know while we are small we have 20 teeth and as we grow we have 32 teeth. The first 20 teeth are milk teeth and they grow twice. So 20 teeth can grow twice, whereas 12 are the permanent teeth and once you lose them they are not growing back again. So option D is the correct answer for this question. Next question. The largest flower in the world is, so it is Rafflesia. Option B is the correct answer. Next question. The plant which flowers outside and fruit development occur inside the soil is, it is groundnut. The fruit, that is groundnut, we eat is inside the soil, whereas the yellow flower of the groundnut is above the soil. So the answer is option A. Next question. The raw material for making artificial silk is, it is cellulose. Option B is the correct answer. Next question. And the last question. The world's highest road from Manali to Leh has been constructed at an average height of, so the average height is 4000 meter, whereas the highest elevation is 5328 meter, that is in mountain passes, Thanglangla mountain passes. So but the average height is 4000 meter or 13,000 feet. So the correct answer is option A.